Without you, silence would miss your sound. Without you, my feet couldn't leave the ground. Without you, you're my melody in the key of we, the perfect harmony. Your heart is a chorus that sets us free. You inspire me entirely. Take me higher, please. And I know now without you, joy couldn't be found. Without you, silence wouldn't miss your sound. Without you, my feet couldn't leave the ground. Without you, every day I search for something true, looking closely for the way that would lead me somewhere new, to help me know how to grow and how to show the love I have for you. Joy couldn't be found without you. Silence wouldn't miss your sound without you. My feet couldn't leave the ground without you. Without you. Without you. Joy couldn't be found without you. Silence wouldn't miss your sound. My feet couldn't leave the ground without you. Without you. When you're feeling down and low, you ain't got no place to go. You're reaching for that higher ground. No one else seems to be around. Yeah. When you're lost, can't find your way. It takes so much just to get through the day. Trust that hope deep inside, yeah. And let that be your guide, yeah. So lift your head up high, with arms open wide. Let that voice inside set your spirit free, and just be. What do you want from your life? Is it struggle or is it strife? Imagine what you could do if you just believe in you. So lift your head up high, with arms open wide. Let that voice inside set your spirit free.